Can you tell what shoe was underneath all this mud? One of the most anticipated releases of the year. Today we're gonna be cleaning these Travis Scott 1 lows. Obviously, they need a lot of help. I told the guys to go ahead and get these dirty, and they got them dirty. What's up? Steve with Reshoevnator here for another episode of Shoe Care Academy. Today, we're gonna clean these. So for before and after purposes, we're gonna go ahead and take this one, set it over here. We're gonna clean the left one today. Okay, so we're just gonna pick some of this stuff off. Obviously, we don't want to create a huge mud puddle. This is painful. This is a brand new pair in my size, so I got to get these things clean. Yeah, we just picked these up for 1,800 bucks. So, you know, nothing like burying $1,800 in the dirt. I know some of you guys are gonna be talking shit about paying $1,800 for these. We had to pay $1,800 because they're not released yet. We wanted to get them before they release so we could do this video. So that's the only reason I even thought about paying. And I do like this shoe a lot, so. But as you can see, we still got dirt coming out of the bottom. I mean, they put dirt inside the shoe too. So I think that's about where we're gonna get with just my fingers. Now it's gonna be time to use the soft bristle brush, medium bristle brush to kind of get some of this extra dirt off. Then we're gonna clean up our mess and get to cleaning. All right, because this is so dirty, I'm gonna be here a while. I need to get the vibes going, get some music playing. So I'm gonna bring this Sonos speaker in here and I'm just gonna play some music.
I'm in that set with the blue on the check. Fragment divide, the collab flex. Low so cold, got the streets in deck. Every step framed dead, that design respect. Ooh, blue flame, light it up slow. Drip so loud, you can hear that show. Air in the soul, got the cactus smoke. Can't fake style, yeah, it's built not sold. Brand new pair, yeah, we wildin' now. Pour that mess, test the clout. Shotgun.
Now I'm gonna get the medium bristle brush and go ahead and go over the shoe again.
No sway here, it's the leather gleam. Pure white heat, watch it turn back clean. Science in a bottle, truth don't sing. All
right, so now that we got most of this mess off of this shoe, actually I'm gonna hit this bottom. Once I'm done with this, we're gonna go ahead and clean this mess up and start this cleaning.
Clean that pair, get the story told. From the jump to the low, still I move with grace. Every soul I...
Obviously, if you have a bunch of dirt stuck in the sole of your shoe, you can use a small pick or something like that just to get it all out. Same thing with gum or anything. If you're really trying to clean your shoe completely, just make sure you get all the dirt that you might take inside your house or whatever out too. So I got a question, it's an interesting topic. How many of you wear your shoes inside your house and how many of you take your shoes off? Very curious to hear answer to that. Let's see, let's guess. More you think take their shoes off or leave their shoes on? You guess. Me personally, we do a little bit of both. I'm not one of those people that makes you take your shoes off, really, right when you get in my house. But when I'm at home, I don't wear my shoes, obviously. So we're not that strict with it. I know some people take your shoes off. We also don't have carpet either, so we have concrete floors. Makes it a little easier. If I had carpet, I'd make people take their shoes. Now we got this thing looking better. We're gonna clean up this crazy mess and get back to cleaning. We'll be right back. Let's get into it.
Set with the blue on the check. Fragment divide, the collab flex. Low so cold, got the streets in deck. Every step framed dead, that design respect. Ooh, blue flame, light it up slow. Drip so loud, you can hear that show. Air in the soul, got the cactus smoke. Can't fake style, yeah, it's built not sold. Brand new pair, yeah, we wildin' now. Pour that mess.
So we got some clean water. We're gonna put a little bit of a solution in this bowl now. Don't wanna, spread dirty water around. So now I also rinsed out my brush and we're gonna go ahead and get back at it.
Truth don't sing, blue flame, light it up slow. Drip so loud, you can hear that show. Fragment touch like a lab gold. Clean that pick, story told. Clean that pair, get the story told. From the jump to the low, still I move with grace. Every soul I wear, leave a mark in space. Cactus blue, that timeless hue.
All right, we're gonna move on to the medium bristle brush. So far, so good. Shoes looking much better. I'm gonna go ahead and get these uppers and then work on these soles, and then we'll get these looking good. We also gotta clean these laces, which is gonna be fun, but we'll get that afterwards. All right, here we go. So typically you would only get one brush with a shoe cleaning kit. We wanted to have the most effective shoe care products out there on the market, and we realized that without the proper brushes, you're not gonna get as good of a clean. So we were the first to do multiple brushes, and then, you know, imitators are following us, which is fine, because, you know, they're trying to have a good product too, but we're the originators.
Drip sold out, you can hear that show. Air in the soul, got a cactus smoke. Can't fake style, yeah, it's built, not sold. Brand new pair.
So now we're gonna get onto the soles. I'm using the medium bristle brush for this. It is a brand new pair, and I wanna get them back to looking new.
Tough, clean game raw, no sway here, it's the left.
Because these will go on feet.
Watch it turn back clean, science in a bottle, truth on.
All right, now onto the stiff bristle brush. Again, strictly for the soles.
Drip sold out, you can hear that show. Fragment touch like a lab gold. Clean that pack, it's story told.
All right, so we just put the shoes outside to dry. Now we're gonna go ahead and clean this insole and these laces. First, I'm gonna clean this insole and take the soft bristle brush, find a clean spot on this cleaning mat.
Can't stay grounded when it's got that true.
All right, now moving on to the laces. I'm just gonna dunk those in here. You can see lots of dirt coming out of these bad boys. All right, either way, we're gonna go ahead and take these in the insole and we're gonna put them in our laundry bag just to flush out all that dirt and soap. So let's go ahead and do that. Go throw these in the washing machine. By the time these are done, shoes will be dry and we'll be able to come back, finish this video. Peace. All right, so we're gonna do cold water only. Actually, it's probably not as important for this. I'm just gonna do it in cold water anyway because that's all we have here. Cold water only, gentle cycle, normal cycle. I'm gonna do a short cycle because this is all it is. That's gonna do it. All right, so we're back. These things look good, very happy. Still a little dirt on the bottom. Not too worried about that though. Let's bring it in.
Test the clout, shotgun cam when the crowd say no.
Big difference, as you can see. He's cleaned up. Again, we just did this to show you, don't be afraid to wear your shoes. You wear your shoes out, you step in a mud puddle, Reshoevn8or's got you covered, no problem. We did use our signature laundry kit on this. I didn't use all the products in it, only because, actually I did, because we used our laundry bag for the sole and the laces, but we did not put these in the machine. I didn't feel like it was necessary. So that's really gonna be it. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, leave us a comment, let us know what shoes you want us to clean next, or if you just think we're retards for doing this, comment that too. I don't care, I wanna know. I love shit talkers. Let's go, peace.
I'm in that set with the blue on the check. Fragment divide, the collab flex. Low so cold, got the streets in deck. Every step framed dead, the design respect. Ooh, blue flame, light it up slow. Drip sold out, you can hear that show. Air in the soul, got a cactus smoke. Can't fake style, yeah, it's built, not sold. Brand new pair, yeah, we wildin' out. Pour that mess, test the clout. Shotgun cam when the crowd say nah. Reshoevn8or tough, clean game raw. No sway here, it's the leather gleam. Pure white heat, watch it turn back clean. Science in a bottle, truth don't sing. Ooh, blue flame, light it up slow. Drip sold out, you can hear that show. Fragment touch like a lab gold. Clean that pack, it's story told. Clean that pack, get the story told. From the jump to the low, still I move with grace. Every soul I wear, leave a mark in space. Cactus blue, that timeless hue. Can't stay grounded when it's got that true.